Today we're going to help you understand how to assemble the Trilennium multi-point locking system strike plate template. Start by ensuring you have all of the necessary parts from the kit for this assembly. You will need one first strike template, a template for the second strike, and another one for the third. You will need 4 long threaded rods. The short rods can connect a fourth template assembly for 8/0 door frame. You should have 12 square nuts and 12 hex jam nuts. Next, you will need some common tools including an adjustable wrench, some screws, a tape measure, and a drill. First, you're going to measure a surface as indicated by this instruction, ensuring that you're marking at 24 and 5/30 seconds of an inch, 47 and 6/30 seconds at 54 and 1/4 inches. Next, temporarily screw the first cut guides in place. This will help you to ensure that you assemble the guides squarely so that you can route the jam. Next, thread the jam nuts and then the square nuts on each end of the long rods. Adjust the square nuts so that they drop into the pockets of the first cut guides and tighten the jam nuts. Remove your temporary screw. Turn your template right side up. Place this template against the door jamb and adjust as needed to ensure all of the guides are square and match the dimensions indicated by your instruction guide. You are now ready to route your jam.